Hey there. I haven't seen you before. Are you new here?
Yes, I am. I just moved in yesterday.
Welcome to the building. My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Ben.
Where are you from, Ben?
I'm from Bristol. What about you?
I'm from this city. I've lived here for 5 years.
That's great. The area looks quiet and nice.
Yes, it is. Which floor do you live on?
I live on the third floor, apartment 3B.
Oh, I live on the second floor, just below you.
That's good. We're neighbors then.
Yes. So, what do you do for work?
I work as an office assistant.
Interesting. Where's your office?
It's near the city center. I go there by bus.
I see. I work as a school librarian.
That sounds nice. What time do you start work?
I start at 8:30 a.m. How about you?
I start at 10 a.m., so I wake up a bit late.
Lucky you. I wake up at 6 every day.
Wow, that's early. What do you do in the morning?
I go for a short walk and then have coffee.
That sounds relaxing. I usually check my phone first.
Many people do that.
Do you cook at home or eat outside?
I cook at home on weekdays.
I'm learning to cook. It's not easy for me.
Don't worry, practice helps a lot.
I hope so. Do you come home late?
Sometimes, but usually by 6:30 p.m.
I come home around 8 p.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or listen to music.
I like reading books after dinner.
That's nice. Maybe you can suggest a book someday.
Sure, I'd be happy to.
Is there a good grocery store nearby?
Yes, there's one across the street.
That's helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Just ask if you need help.
Thanks a lot. You're very kind.
It's nice to meet friendly neighbors.
Yes, it makes the place feel like home.
People here are helpful.
I already feel comfortable here.
If you're free this weekend, we can have tea.
I'd like that. What time?
Around 6 in the evening?
Perfect. See you then, Emma.
Waiting at a bus stop.
Excuse me, is this the bus stop for Route 12?
Yes, it is. I'm waiting for the same bus.
Great. Do you know what time it comes?
It usually comes around 8:15.
Oh, that's good. It's 8:05 now.
Yes, we still have some time.
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. It stops near the main market.
Perfect. I need to go to the market today.
Are you going for shopping?
Yes, I need to buy some vegetables.
I see. I'm going to my office.
Do you take this bus every day?
Almost every weekday.
Is it usually crowded in the morning?
Yes, especially after 8:30.
Then I'm glad I came early.
That's a good idea.
How long does it take to reach the city center?
About 25 minutes, if there's no traffic.
That's not too bad.
No, it's quite comfortable.
Does the bus stop near the post office?
Yes, but you need to get off 2 stops earlier.
Thanks for telling me.
No problem. Is this your first time on this route?
Yes, I usually take a different bus.
Then keep an eye on the stops.
I will. Are the buses on time today?
They are usually late on Mondays.
Oh, today is Monday.
Yes, but it doesn't look too bad.
I can see a bus coming.
Yes, that might be ours.
It has the number 12 on it.
That's the one we need.
Great, we don't have to wait long.
Yes, we're lucky today.
Thank you for all the information.
You're welcome.
Which stop are you getting off at?
Near the Central Park.
That's close to my stop, too.
Maybe we'll get off together.
Yes, that's possible.
Here comes the bus.
Let's get in line.
Sure.
Have a nice day at work.
Thank you. You too.
First day at a new class.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit.
Thanks. I'm Emily. I'm new here.
Nice to meet you, Emily. I'm Jack.
Is today your first day, too?
Yes, it is. I feel a bit nervous.
Me too. Everything feels new.
Which class are we in now?
I think this is the English class.
Oh, good. I like English.
That's nice. What subjects do you like?
I like history and science. How about you?
I like English and art.
Art sounds fun. Are you good at drawing?
A little. I enjoy it.
Who is our English teacher?
I heard her name is Mrs. Brown.
Is she a good teacher?
People say she's kind and helpful.
That's good to hear.
Do we have math today?
Yes, after lunch.
Math makes me a bit worried.
Same here, but the teacher is friendly.
Really? What is his name?
Mr. Green. He explains things slowly.
That helps a lot.
Do you have any friends in this class?
No, not yet. You're my first one.
That's nice. We can help each other.
Yes, I'd like that.
Where are you from, Emily?
I'm from Manchester. What about you?
I'm from this city.
The school looks big.
Yes, but you get used to it.
I hope so. I don't want to get lost.
Don't worry, I can show you around.
Thank you. That's very kind.
No problem. What do you think of the classroom?
It's bright and comfortable.
I like the big windows.
Me too. They let in a lot of light.
I think the teacher is coming now.
Yes, everyone is getting quiet.
I hope today goes well.
I think it will.
I'm glad I met you today.
Me too. It makes the first day easier.
Let's have a good first day.